What's the meaning of coarsen? Coarsen. Coarsen.
Coarsen. Coarsen. Coarsen refers to the act of making something less fine or precise. This could apply in various contexts, such as in a physical sense, where an object may become rougher or less smooth, or in a figurative sense, where ideas or statements become less nuanced or detailed. The result of coarsening is a reduction in the level of intricacy or complexity. This can sometimes be intentional, for example, when simplifying a message so that it can be more easily understood by a broader audience, or unintentional, as a byproduct of neglect or lack of attention to detail.